Nigga, I tell them like, I got a big ego, so don't even try me, cause me and my niggas, yeah, we stay fucking riding, you couldn't catch us, nigga never slipping shit, might as well get on the beat and eat the shit, check me, cause I got a big ego, ho, when you hit the shit, then you gotta go, bitch, catch up, cause you niggas straight smell like mustard, can't even trust ya, nigga, whoa, you niggas try to get with me, and y'all really can't, your bitch faint, every time she see my ego, I'm a saint, catch my ego all up in her gut shit, never gave a fuck, I just bust a nut and told her to hit the door, like my name was motherfucking, it don't even matter, cause I go rat-a-tat-a and I got a ego and I make your girl splatter, yup, all up in that gut shit, make her bust a nut quick, never gave a fuck shit, use a fucking slut, bitch, so she like my big ego, I swear to God that she go, everywhere that we go, we call her homie hopper, and we call her teamer, never gave a fuck, yep, cause she a dreamer, she struck my big ego, I swear that she can go to the fucking store, buy 2 more shells to roll up, nigga, and she love my big ego, and I gave it to her like my name was motherfucking he-hoes. Oops, I mean he-man, cause I'm the man, the nigga with the ego that put bitches on their knees, man, and they beg for please, please, Mike, don't go. I'm like, bitch, I got more ego for all these hoes, so tell them I got that big ego, so if you wanna try me and my niggas, yep, we stay riding, don't never talk on my name, you lame, I'm just flipping the game, so what the fuck you saying? I got a big ego, so yeah, it's true, I'm trying to show you, girl, this how my ego do, so come stroke it one time for a nigga like me, I'm a light skin, stroke my ego, just how light skins can be conceited like shit, well every bitch in my life told me I look good as shit, I'm like, stroke my ego, ho, or suck my ego, ho, I don't even care, because I got one more on the way in, why you making your way out, egos all day, nigga, might as well yell out when I'm in it, and I'm in it to win it, like my name was Benny, I'm like super swag, and I'm too in it, I swag goo on you, cause you niggas fools, nigga, and I swag goo on your bitch too, nigga, call it swag sauce while I'm flying and I'm stunting with that motherfucking witch on my rocks. Oops, I mean watch on my wrist. Couldn't get with this, cause my ego big. Matter of fact, my shit like 8 inches. Give it to your girl. Had a kid, now you wipe it up. Baby nigga, I don't know why you try to fight me, bruh. Hey, take care of mine, nigga, cause I don't really care. Don't even know you should got paternity test, it ain't fair. Like, that nigga Mike got a light-skinned kid by a white bitch, nigga, yeah, y'all do it big. Egos, gotta let go of the rope sometime. Nigga, hear my shit, ding dong, line be poppin', cause my ego long, and my ego strong. Swear to God, a nigga like me can go all night long, don't worry about it. So don't try to fight me, a nigga with me, nigga, you don't even wanna try me. Yup, I never cuff her, but I do hit it under the covers, yeah, undercover lover, cause I got that big ego. Tell the whole block about it, yeah, they know, and she know that we go everywhere, and you can find me anywhere, cause I be everywhere in the motherfucking hood, stay jumping, and I'm stay fucking jumping, and I'm playing ball, nigga, I'm going hard, nigga, I'm going far, nigga.